Oi,
Ay,
what are you doing?
I am harvesting.
Oh, look at that. What is that you're harvesting? Jujube.
Jujube.
Did you forget the name?
I always mix with jujube and then the other one, juberry.
Never heard of that one. So here's a good example of 3 different jujubes off the same tree at different stages of ripeness. You can eat them at any stage here. Once they begin to get a little bit brown on the skin, they become sweet. So it's got the texture of an apple, but it's got a nice sweet caramel-like flavor. Here, we've got one that's continually began to dry out. It's getting closer to that date stage, also known as Chinese date. The jujube can store and it actually dries up right on the tree. And here, we've got one that's dried up, but it's got more density to it. All of these are absolutely delicious. And there are plenty more jujubes still hanging on the tree, still in their green stage. I don't recommend eating them when they're still completely green, as they got a rather bland taste to them. But here's one that's actually just beginning to turn. Still a little early. So we've been harvesting an abundance of apples off this small 6-foot tree. It's been in the ground for, I think, 5 or 6 years already.
The one I did, it works.
The apples are small but delicious. And Alice did support this branch here, which was a good idea because there's so much weight of the fruit on here. But we've got more than we're even utilizing. So what are you going to do with this harvest today, sweetie?
I have to bring at work and share. Do you like it, honey? As soon as I'm putting this one in the table, it was so depleted right away. Yesterday, they reminding me, honey, to bring the apples.
Well, it's our joy and our pleasure to be able to share the abundance with those around us. Not only does it bring a smile to people's face when they taste something as delicious as an organic, homegrown apple, but it's those little moments in time that also encourage folks to consider growing food at home if they're not already doing so. When you tell them that you grew it at home on your own tree, they get impressed by that, don't they?
Mm-hmm.
Are you sure there's going to be any left when you get to work?
Only seconds. Because they love my fruits. They said organic, no pesticide.
You know, while you were harvesting, you were stepping on that oregano over there. And I can smell it in the air now, the fragrance. It's so nice. Oregano makes a great ground cover and a living mulch around your plants. But the added benefit of smelling good when you walk on it. Do you have any final thoughts you want to share with our friends here on YouTube?
Hi, my friends. Stay tuned. There's a lot of more videos to come.
Amen to that. Take care, everybody.